Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Amex Blue Cash Everyday Car Rental Insurance. First, we'll explore the complimentary benefits this card offers for your rental car. Next, we'll delve into the specific types of vehicles and situations that are covered under this protection. Finally, we'll uncover any important limitations and exclusions you should be aware of before you rent, ensuring you're fully prepared. The Amex Blue Cash Everyday card provides secondary car rental insurance, meaning it kicks in after any other applicable coverage you might have. This benefit primarily covers physical damage or theft of the rental vehicle itself. It's crucial to remember that this policy does not extend to liability for injuries to other people or damage to their property. Generally, rentals lasting up to 30 consecutive days are eligible for this protection. To activate your Amex Blue Cash Everyday Car rental coverage, you must decline the rental company's optional collision damage waiver. It's also essential to pay for the entire rental transaction using your Amex Blue Cash Everyday card. Should an incident occur, report it to American Express as soon as possible. Remember to retain all your rental agreements and any repair estimates. These documents are vital for processing your claim efficiently. Be aware of key exclusions. Certain vehicle types, such as exotic cars, large vans, or trucks, are typically not covered by this benefit. Furthermore, rentals in some specific countries or regions might also be ineligible for coverage. This policy does not cover personal injury to yourself or others, nor does it cover damage to other vehicles involved in an accident. Always consult your card's official benefits guide for the most accurate and up-to-date information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.